Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of Officer Sara 24/7. My name is Amanjot and I am here with all of you to discuss the important topic related to the retail banking. So yesterday we have discussed about the retail banking in which we have discussed that what is retail banking, what are the multiple characteristics of the retail banking. Today we are going to talk about the product and services of retail banking. Okay, so today's topic will be your simple. This will be your topic, retail banking products and services. So let's start the session. Before starting the session, those candidates who are live in the session, do let me know in the chat box that audio, video both are okay. Are we good to go? Let me know in the chat section. Apart from that, if you have not downloaded the Adda 24/7 application yet, then do download the application. This is the platform where you will get the benefit of your material and the details of the batches and everything. Now, apart from that, if you have not subscribed the channel Officer Sara 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, because this is the platform where you will get all the sessions regarding your preparation, as well as you will get all the updates from the IIBF bank promotion, JAIIB, CAIIB. Every query of yours will be answered on this particular channel. Okay. Now, next, these are the products which are available right now. One second, there is no double validity. Okay, I forgot to remove this. There is no double validity. Okay, double validity has been removed and prices has been increased. Okay, so with the new syllabus, 81% off is going on right now. By using the code Y496, you can get the benefit, and this is the offer for all of you. Now, this is the topic for which we are going to discuss today, that is retail banking products and services. Now, what is these products and services? Let's first understand with the retail banking. We have discussed that what is retail banking. What is retail banking? Retail banking is the banking in which you are providing services to the individual customer. When you are providing services to the individual customer, that will be known as retail banking. Now, what kind of services you are providing to the customer? When we talk about bank, there are two types of services, or we can say there are certain assets of a bank and the liability of a bank. When it comes to the asset, what is asset of a bank? When we talk about the asset of a bank, these are the loans and advances which bank provide to the customer. So whatever loans and advances bank is providing, that is known as the asset of a bank. When we talk about the liability, what is the liability of a bank? Simply the deposits bank is collecting from the public, that is known as the liability of a bank. Okay, it can be a demand deposit, it can be a time deposit. So these are the two things that bank already have, the assets and liability. When it comes to the liability side, we have discussed this yesterday. When we comes to the liability side of your bank, it means it maximum, or it used to be mainly retail, because if I am opening a bank account, I am having an individual account. I am depositing my money in the bank. So when it comes to the liability side of a bank, we maximum number of times see that it always become the retail banking service. So how you can understand that what is retail banking and wholesale banking? So to understand the retail banking, we have what? We have asset side. In the asset side, if you are giving loan to the individual person, that will be a retail banking. But if you are giving a loan to the business, to the firm, that will be known as wholesale banking. So retail banking will be identified, or it mostly identified with the help of the asset side of the bank. Okay, and the retail banking has these type of features. The basic features, we have multiple products, we have multiple channels, we have multiple customer groups. Okay, like you can have the deposit, credit card, insurance, investment. These products are these products are available for the individual customer. Like if I want, I can deposit my money, I can take the credit card from the bank, I can have a locker facility, that's a service. I can have insurance from the bank, I can perform trading, I can have a demat account. So all these are what? These are the multiple products, right? If I talk about the multiple channels of distribution, when I talk about the multiple channels of distribution, like those places or those platforms by which the customer is connecting with your bank and you are providing product and services to the customer, these are the channels. Like for example, call centers are there, branches are there, internet service, internet banking is there, kiosk centers are there, etc. And the last is multiple customer groups. Like you have multiple groups. You have a consumers. The customer is the person who is not the direct who is not directly consuming the services, but consumer will be the person who is consuming the services or product by himself or herself. Small businesses and corporate, these are the multiple customer groups of the retail banking. Now today's topic is about the retail products and services. So when we talk about the retail products, the retail banking products are of these types. Like you are providing service to the individual person, do remember that. You are providing service to the individual person or to the small businesses. You are providing services to the small businesses. This is what you are doing. Hana, this is what you are doing. So when we talk about retail banking, so you are providing services to the individual customer as well as you are providing services to the small businesses. So what kind of product you can offer to them? You can offer the savings bank account. Obviously, you can make them deposit their money. You can give them the recurring deposit, that is RD. Okay, you can give them the current account facility. You can give them the fixed account facility. If I talk about RAFA, recurring account and fixed account, this is what? This is term deposit. This is the term deposit of a bank. One second. This is the term deposit of a bank, right? If I talk about the CASA, that is current account, savings account, that is demand deposit of a bank. That's a demand deposit of a bank. Right, clear? So this is what? When we talk about savings bank account, that is the demand deposit. Current deposit account, that is the demand deposit. Recurring and fixed is a term deposit, because in current account and savings account, it depends on the customer. Whenever you want, you can deposit your money. Whenever you want, you can withdraw your money. But that's why it is known as demand deposit, right? When we talk about the term or time deposit, it simply means that what you are doing, you are providing services of deposit to the customer, but with the limit of deposit. Like you have to maintain money for 1 year to between 1 year to the 10 years in the FD, and in RD between 6 months to the 10 years. That you have given that this is the maturity period, or these can be the minimum or maximum time duration for the FD and RD. That's why this is known as term deposit. Okay. Now you can provide zero balance account, for the salaried class people. You can provide BSBD account for common people. But now BSBD is also a zero balance account, but it is for common people. When you are opening salaried account, you are giving to the account to the individual person who are earning and who are getting their salaries in your bank account. Okay. Now, senior citizen deposit account will be there. You are providing different interest rate to the senior citizen, that we already know. So these are the products which can be, etc. These are the products which can be issued in the retail banking or can be provided in the retail banking, right? Let me know in the chat section, is everything clear till now? Let me know, is everything clear till now? If you have any doubt, you can ask. I think now I am maintaining the speed. I'm not that much fast now. I have slowed my speed. So let me know that also. Now, retail loan product, if I talk about, these are the role products. Like you are giving loan to the individual. Now, what is loan? When we talk about the loan, this is the asset side of a bank. This is the asset side of a bank. And maximum, the asset side defines that it is a retail or wholesale banking. Okay, maximum your asset side decide that it is a retail banking or wholesale banking. So, home loan you are providing, home loan to the NRIs or home loan to the resident Indians. Auto loan you are providing to the customer. Consumer loan you are providing to the customer. Educational loan you are providing to the customer. Trade related advances to individuals, like business related, okay, but the small business one. Crop loan you are providing to the farmers. Then credit cards you are providing to the customers, like salaried people who have a salary of history of last 6 months salary, etc. So these are the loan products in the retail banking. Okay, these are the particularly loan product. The product which we have seen, that is retail banking product, but mainly you are taking deposits there. This is the liability side. This is the liability side of banking, in which you are doing, you are mainly giving here what? You are giving deposits. You are giving mainly deposit accounts. Okay, so that is what? Liability side of a bank. And this is the asset side of a bank when you are giving a loan to the customer. Okay. Now, apart from that, if I talk about the services, what are the retail services? What services the bank is providing to the individual? So, safe deposit locker, you can provide to the individual person. Depository services that convert your physical security into the electronic form, that is depository services you are providing. Bank assurance product are very simple, like insurance, you are providing insurance facility to the customer, that is the bank assurance product. When insurance company and bank have a partnership and bank is selling the product of insurance company, that is known as insurance, bank assurance. Okay, so these are the retail services and these are the products of the retail banking. So we have discussed what is the retail banking products and what is the retail services. Now, these products and these services we have to study in detail. This is not like you have studied the number of the services and the products name. No, that is not sufficient. You have to do the depth study. Like when I talk about the BSBD account, If I am talking about the BSBD account, you should know the full form. You should know the limits, like how much deposit can be done, how much loan can be given, withdrawal limit is what, transaction limit is what, will foreign remittances allowed or not, all these things, like in depth. Each and every product you have to study in depth. Okay, so this is what I have given you the overview. What are the retail products? What are the retail services? Now these product and services you have to do the in-depth study. Okay, so I hope all the product and services are clear to all of you. Now let's summarize the session, and in summarizing the session, certain thing is there. If I talk about the products or the facilities which Adda 24/7 is providing you, like you know that if you are preparing for the JAIIB exam, there are 4 subjects. First, you have Indian economy and Indian financial system. Second, what you have? Second, you have a retail banking wealth management. Okay. Third, you have your principles practices of banking, that is again available. Then you have AFM. That used to be AFB, now it is AFM. Okay, accounting and financial management for bankers. These are the 4 subjects in the JAIIB, and all these 4 subjects classes are going to start from 16th of December. The batch is starting on the basis of the new syllabus, that is starting from the 16th of December. How to enroll, I will show you that also. So the batches are starting from 16th December, both bilingual and English medium, both batches are starting from 16th of December, in which all these 4 subjects will be covered. But the conceptual classes will be there. If you want the conceptual classes, in the December batch, 16 December batch, there will be a conceptual classes. Okay, there will be only conceptual classes. But apart from that, what else is required for your preparation of the JAIIB so that you will qualify the JAIIB in first attempt? What is required? The conceptual classes, the MCQ practice, the case study practice. Okay, because here it has Indian economy. In Indian economy, there might be a numericals, because on the GDP, demand and supply, these questions can be there. Now, case study is there. Okay, MCQ case study will be there. After that, you need a mock test also. You need a mock test. You have to give the time for revision also. Okay, you have to have e-books also. So these are the products which are going to help you to qualify the exam, all these products. And all these products are available in the JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapack. Okay, all these products are available in the JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapack. So you have 2 options. Either you can go with the individual batch where you will only get the conceptual classes. Second, you have the Mahapack option where you get everything. Like you don't have to do anything. You don't have to do the R&D. Everything will be done by us, and you will get all the content which is required to qualify the paper. So this is the JAIIB and CAIIB ka Mahapack that you can use. Okay, now how to enroll in any of these products, how to go to any of these products, what you have to do, you have to visit the Adda 24/7 application. Okay, this is the website, but to get 1% additional discount, what you have to do, you have to get the Adda 24/7 application, because there you will get 1% additional discount. Now this is the website. Here you have to click on the JAIIB CAIIB. If you want to go with the individual batch, you can go here. You can see JAIIB CAIIB is available. Sorry, JAIIB 23 is available. If you want to go with the Mahapack, you have to click here. The prices has been raised. It can be raised more. So if you want to enroll, you can enroll as soon as possible. Now, this is the this will cover the current syllabus as well as new syllabus, because you know certain topics in the PPB, in the Indian financial system. Apart from that, your retail banking will be a similar which used to be in the old syllabus. So you can cover, you can start covering as soon as you enroll in the Mahapack, because it will cover the old syllabus also. And you know the old syllabus will be there in the new pattern also. So how to enroll? You can check that what subject will be covered. It will cover JAIIB. It will also cover your CAIIB. Okay. So what you can do, you can just go to the buy now. Click on the buy now. Here you have to add a code, that is Y496, and click on the enter. When you click on the enter, you can see 77% discount it is showing, but 1% additional discount will be available. So you can enroll with the 78% discount, and the price you have to pay around your 11,000 you have to pay. Okay, and this will be available for 1 year. But it will cover JAIIB as well as CAIIB both. Okay, you can cover both subjects, both papers. Apart from that, if you only want to go with the JAIIB batch and then you want to have a CAIIB when you prepare for the CAIIB, this option is also available. The validity will be 6 months. And here you will find all the things which I have told you which will be available. I have given you the idea. So new and old pattern will be available. All the 4 subjects will be covered. To enroll, just the same process you have to use. You have to click on the buy now. Click on the buy now, click here, enter the code Y496, click on the apply. You will find the price will be your 7,500 or 1% additional discount will be available on the application. So you will get around 7,400 you have to pay. Now you can compare. There you have to pay 11,000. You will get JAIIB as well as CAIIB. Here you have to pay 7,400 to get only JAIIB, and validity will be 6 months. So I think that if you do the cost benefit analysis, the JAIIB and CAIIB Mahapack will be the right choice. But it's up to you. If you want to take the JAIIB, this is the product where by which you can go. And if you want to go with the JAIIB and CAIIB, I have showed you already. So this is where you have to add the code. That is Y496, and this is how you can enroll. You can check the prices here, how much changes has been done. So you can see 77% discount it is showing, but 1% additional discount will be available if you use the application, because there will be a coins available. So these are the products which you can enroll. So here the JAIIB, CAIIB Mahapack and JAIIB Mahapack, these two options are for you. If you want to go with the individual batch, just click on the JAIIB 23 and you will find the bilingual batches and English medium batches. The combination subject batch is also there. If you want Indian economy, Indian financial system, retail banking, wealth management, that is also available. Okay, that is also available for you. So you can go with it also. And the process is same. Let's say, for example, you want to go with the English medium. Just click on the product, click on the buy now, enter the code here. That is Y496 and click on the enter. 4,500 you have to pay for this particular product. Okay, so these are the products which are available for your preparation, and do not forget to make sure that you subscribe the channel, because we have started the conceptual classes also. As I have taken 2 classes on the retail, similarly I am starting the economic part also. I have started already from today onwards, in which I started giving the conceptual classes for all of you in the morning 8 AM. Okay, so you can join those classes also, and do not forget to subscribe, because all these sessions will be available there for you. Okay, now let's end the session here. We will be ending the session, but if you are new to the channel of Adda 24/7 if you are new to the channel of Offices Adda 24/7, then do subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that all the upcoming sessions notification will be given to you. And if you still have any doubt in the topic of retail banking, you can ask in the comment section also. Okay, I will be checking your comment and answering there. Right, so let's end the session. See you all tomorrow in the morning at 8 AM with the Indian economy subject, in which I have discussed today the basic understanding of the economy and economics, what are the types and etc. I have described today. If you guys have not seen that, then do make sure you go to the live classes, live section of the YouTube channel, and you will find the morning class of Indian economy. And tomorrow we will be coming up with the further topic of the Indian economy. Okay, so see you everyone at 8 AM tomorrow on the same channel, Offices Adda 24/7. Right, so thank you for joining the session and take care.